So now I'm going to show you how to determine the direction of your force that acting on a current carrying conductor by right hand rules. So by right hand rules is actually follow the vector quantity or the vector products. So in other words, F is actually I cross B. So I cross B, F is the vector product of your I cross B. So means that it can be used right hand rules to determine your direction of F. So how do you determine your direction of F using right hand rules? So your thumb will show you the direction of your force. So I cross B means the first one is the four fingers that you pointed must be to the direction of your current. So remember this one is 90 degree. Remember this one is 90 degree. So if this one F is pointed this way, so I just point this. So I is pointed this way. So first we want to I cross B. So place your fingers in the direction of current first. So your current fingers will be like this. Okay, now cross your fingers like this. And this means when you cross your finger, it will be like this, 90 degree only. From here, you cross here. So now current is in this direction, but your B is pointing downwards. So you move like this, your current, so that your finger can be crossed in this direction, which is the direction of the B. Repeat, this one is direction of I, and now this is your direction of B. So if you look carefully, because of your fingers of your thumb, okay, now the direction of your thumb, remember your hands should be put like this, flat and like this. So if your current is flowing in this direction and this one cross to the direction of B, so your thumb is actually pointed inwards. Pointed inwards. So it means that there is direction of your F pointed inwards to the paper. Okay, now this one. Okay, look carefully, still here. So the direction of current is here. So B is pointed down. So you use like this. So you just try to adjust. Let's say, so I like this, I like this. Let's say it's going to move downwards. So your fingernails have to cross like this downwards. Okay? Not cross like this, huh? Cross only 90 degree. Cross only like 90 degree. So you'll get that your thumb is pointed upwards. So this one is upwards force. Repeat. The eye is pointed to this direction, and B you cross like this. So your thumb is pointed outwards from your paper. So this is your direction of your F. Well, number 3, this is your current eye. Now let's say you don't know which direction. Your eye can be like this, or like this, or like this. But if you cross like this, your B will be to the right, so wrong. If you cross like this, your B will be going inside, so wrong. So you know that B is to the right. So B will be cross to the right. Okay? I cross B. So your thumb will show the direction upwards. So outwards. So your F is outwards. Number 4, this one, your I is downwards. Okay? I is downwards. Okay, so your I is in this direction, your B is crossed to the left hand side. So cross your left hand side, so you know that your F is pointed inwards. F is pointed inwards. Well, for this one, I is inwards. So how do you point your 4 fingers inward? So you just put your fingers like this, okay, into the page. So like this, into the page, okay, because your B is in right hand side, so you move it in this way. So cross your B, so you know that B is to the right. Okay, I'm repeat like this, and then cross, in and then cross to the right, so you will get your force downward direction. For this one, still the same. I is in this direction, but B is upwards. So your hand should be like this, because you have to cross like this. In, cross. I cross B. Okay? So I cross B. I cross B. Okay? I repeat, which is I is inwards, cross B. I inwards and cross B. So your F is pointed here. This is your F. Okay, then for this one, I is inwards, B is to the right, left. I is inwards, B is to the left. So your F is pointing upwards. For this one, I is inwards, B is downwards. Cross like this, in and to the downwards. So your F is pointed here. So remember, all these three quantities have to be 90 degrees to each other. Means it will be lying on X, Y, and Z axis. And then for this one, I is outwards. I is outwards, okay? B cross here. B cross here. So your F will be upwards. I is outwards. B is upwards. So you just like this and cross B. So F here. Okay? I is like this. B is cross upwards. So your fingers is pointing up. I is here. B is pointing here. So F will be in this direction. Okay? Now B is inwards. I is to the left. So B is inwards. So I is in this direction. So pointed it for B. B will point in. So your finger will cross like this. I is in this direction. I cross B. I cross B. So F will be in this direction. For this one, I is upwards and your B is inwards. B is inwards. I is this and B is inwards. So your F will be in this direction. So have you learned how to determine your force, direction of force using right hand rules?